All right, guys, we are on the job today down at St. Joseph Catholic Church downtown. They just finished the morning feeding here, so it's going to be a hot one outside. We're going to try to address this. Start with the signboard is the most critical thing here. What I decided to do, since no matter, it's not worth investing in a really expensive 3/16, quarter of an inch thing of glass here, because it's gonna get marked up. So I need to actually I'm thinking of putting multiple thin sheets into here so that if one gets marked up, well, the next one will be behind it, and it'll you can just pull it out as needed, and we can use this, kind of drill a hole through there in these things, and it'll help keep it secured in place through the plastic, or else just cut around that a little bit. But it's gonna take some doing. It's gonna take some engineering to get this done today. So the first thing is I got to get the keys and stuff. I'm not going to look ahead at any other projects. I'm just going to try to focus on this. Luckily, this wasn't damaged too much, so I might be able to do a little spot repair with some glue. Obviously, I'm going to have to work out some of the fragments that are still in there. Now, I was thinking I'm going to see how the letters fit on here first. I got some letters inside. I'm going to go get them and see what they look like. Well, I did some testing on the letters I got, but they're kind of floppy when you sit them in there, and instead of being hung from the top, they go in at the bottom. So we're gonna need to get some felt. I think in felt this, it's gonna be a long process to put that in there, but little by little. Gonna need a lot of patience today. We just hit the fabric store to get some material for the backing for the sign, so we hope that's gonna do the job. Nice lady here, so onward and upward. So I just stopped at Lowe's. I got a piece of plastic cut. There's really no kind of film that they can put over it, so it's not that expensive. If it gets trashed, it's a little more of a substantial material than the crap that was there before, so I'm hoping it'll do the job. I don't know, if you pull one side off, it's hot as blazes. I don't know. Pull this stuff off. It might be clear enough. I'm not sure. It's hard to get that started right there. Let's see what we can do here. It depends. It's just going to be too frosted with the film on it, so it is what it is. Let's get back to the church. Stop goofing around. Second trip to Lowe's. Leave it to Lowe's. I had 30 3/4 by 31 inches on the plastic cut. What do they do? They give me 30 1/4 by 31. Thanks for nothing, right? So it's time. It's like 1 o'clock, and I haven't done one thing today. I should be paid by the hour for this deal, right? It's a crisp 109. The heat, I don't even care about. I'm fine with the heat, but my Lord, when people can't just basically measure these days, it does get very frustrating. So, well, on with the show, day one. We finally got the right piece of plastic in. It's time to start to try to, I have some adhesive to try to line it. I forgot it's like 110 degrees out, so there's a lot fewer helpers out here for the job today. So let's give this a try. This kind of reminds me of the old corn shucking days. You have to be very patient to work in all of these slots with this. But that's exactly what I'm trying to do. It might be a fail at the end of the day, but that's what I'm trying to do. Wish me luck. Well, I'll tell you, my neck's wearing out from being up it little by little. We're gaining on it. It's probably going to take a second piece, but I'll have to see how the letters go on it. But kind of losing my voice. It's so dry and hot. 110. That's going to be a wrap for day one. I'm so parched out here. So I got that temporarily in there. Who knows what these thugs will do down here, but I made pretty good progress today anyway. That's interruptions. I had to get this guy set up for his chair. There were some EMT guys, and this guy's chair ran out of juice. So we set up a charging cord at the kitchen. So I am really beat today. But S for super. There it is. One letter up. Alright guys, more to come. Tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Thanks everybody. Thumbs up are appreciated. Church restoration, second visit.